Hello guys, welcome to edquest and the world of generative AI. What if the next greatest artist is not human, or the next compelling novel is not penned by hand? Forget what you thought you knew about AI. This course is your gateway to generative AI, where machines are becoming sophisticated creators, not just calculators. Prepare to be amazed, challenged, and ultimately empowered as we explore how these intelligent systems are redefining creativity and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Welcome to the fascinating world of generative AI. This module will provide a foundational understanding of what generative AI is, why is it so impactful, and where it is headed. We will explore the core concepts, introduce practical tools, and lay the groundwork for your journey to generative AI mastery. Imagine a computer that can learn and create just like you do. That's a big idea behind generative AI. Think about how you write a story, paint a picture, or even make up a song. Generative AI models try to do similar things. They learn from tons of examples like millions of pictures or billions of words, and then they can make brand new ones. So if you ask it for a picture of a cat riding a skateboard, it can draw it. Or if you ask it to write a poem about space, it can do that too. So it is like having a super creative helper that uses what is learned to build something new. Here are some examples of generative AI applications. First one is automation. Second one is currently trending Ghibli art. And the third one is forever trending content creation. If you think all of this is magic, you are wrong. It is generative AI behind that. So what actually is generative AI? AI models that can create new and original content. A computer that can learn and create new things, not just repeat what it has seen before. That is what generative AI or GenAI is all about. It studies huge amount of existing stuff like millions of pictures, books, or songs. Then by using it, it can make its own original content, whether that's writing stories, drawing unique images, and composing music, or even helping write computer code. It's like having a super smart and creative assistant that can build new ideas from scratch. Imagine boosting your business output significantly. Gartner, a top research company, predicts that by using Gen AI, businesses could see a huge 24.69% jump in productivity in just 12 to 18 months. This is not just about simple automation, it is about AI helping you create faster and smarter, making the tough jobs easier. So get ready for a major leap in how you work. So here are some use cases where generative AI is being used across industries. In creative arts, it is helping design, make music, and even create a film. For marketing purposes, it creates ads just for you with amazing pictures and videos. In software industry, it helps build code and fix faster and making apps better. For healthcare, it is like a super scientist designing new drugs and making medicines personal for each person. In education, it helps make learning special for every student and even build smart tutors. And lastly, for customer service, it makes chatbots better and helps virtual assistant understand you. Gen AI is changing how we create, how we work, and how we learn in so many ways.